How to remove Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from both your connected Meta account center or your Instagram app itself. Now it's quite simple and easy. Simply open up Instagram, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen here, and then tap on the three horizontal line or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once here, what you want to do is head into settings and privacy and head into account center. Now here what you want to do is simply tap on profiles option here, or what you can do is head into accounts option here. Now here what you can do is, if you have multiple accounts here, you'll get an option to remove the accounts here under profiles. Simply head into your profiles option that you can see at the account center and then tap on it, and you'll be able to remove accounts if you have multiple accounts here. This is the way you can remove account from account center. However, if you want to remove it from the Instagram app itself, your saved accounts, what you want to do is log out of your account first. Tap on the three horizontal line or the hamburger icon at the top right corner again on your profile, and then tap on settings and privacy and scroll all the way down below and tap on log out of all accounts. Now make sure to log out of all accounts. There you can see at the bottom of your screen, simply log out. And once you log out, what you want to do is here tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and then tap on the profile that you want to remove, and then once you tap on it, you'll find the option to remove profile. Simply tap on remove profile and it'll be removed from Instagram. So this way you can remove Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.